President Ilham Aliyev visited the construction site of the convention center at Victory Square, in the city of Khankendi. The head of state was briefed on the progress of the project. The Congress Center will feature a 4-story building with a basement. It will include a hotel with 102 rooms, including 91 standard rooms, 4 suites, 4 executive rooms, and 3 rooms designed for disabled individuals. The center will also offer restaurants and facilities designed to meet modern standards for hosting both national and international events.